pivotal trial that resulted in regulatory approval of Lenvatinib Everolimus as an option for refractory RCC was a phase 2 trial of Lenvatinib Everolimus compared to single-agent Lenvatinib compared to Sunitinib. It was a 3-arm trial. The data that we're going to discuss and what is actually involved in the FDA approval was the Lenvatinib Everolimus versus Sunitinib. In that trial, which was randomized, approximately 50 patients per arm, there was a benefit with Lenvatinib Everolimus in patients with clear cell RCC in response rate, progression-free survival, and overall survival. The response rate data exceeded what we had previously seen in any agent, greater than 40% response rate. The progression-free survival of Lenvatinib Everolimus combination was 14.6 months and exceeded the PFS that we had seen to date among any agent. Certainly there was much excitement in the field with this data. Looking at the side effect profile, the side effect profile of the combination therapy was not different than what one would expect when one uses an agent such as Lenvatinib, a VEGF inhibitor, and Everolimus. There were no unusual side effects or excess side effects. The all side effect was approximately 99%. Most patients were able to be controlled with dose reduction or dose interruption. The standard dosing of Lenvatinib Everolimus is 18 milligrams Lenvatinib and 5 milligrams of Everolimus, and the dose level -1 is 14 milligrams Lenvatinib and 5 milligrams Everolimus. In my practice, I very rarely have to go below dose level -1. Most of my patients tolerate this therapy well, and I see reproducible response rates similar to what we saw in the phase 2 trial. Based upon the phase 2 trial, the combination received regulatory approval as an agent for the refractory line setting in the United States. To further study the combination in the frontline setting, a large phase 3 trial is enrolling patients called the CLEAR study, where patients are randomized to Lenvatinib Everolimus, Lenvatinib Pembrolizumab, or to Sunitinib. This trial is getting close to reaching its accrual number, and we anxiously await the results.